Energy FM.
Thank you, sir.
Also would like to thank the team, the corporate team ng Energy FM. Isa po sa mga pinaka-importante enable for us to broadcast is yung aming transmitters being handled well by our corporate and network engineer Cliff Balano. Alam niyo, to be honest, sabi ko sa aming network engineer, bukod sa preparations that we are doing, merong isang malaking responsibilidad, and that is you. And believe it or not, gumawa pa kami ng isang napakagandang paraan para lalo pang ma-enhance yung aming pag-broadcast and able to reach yung areas na dapat namin mararating ng boses ni Papa Jay. And you can observe that ngayon. If you will try to listen, yung quality ng sounds ng Energy FM, way better than nung napakinggan nyo na yun. Kaya I'd like to thank, of course, Cliff Engineer. Also, I would like to thank ang aming marketing and sales manager, Ms. Tetchi Parion. Palagpakan din natin. Siya ho ang naging salarin kung bakit ho napakasarap ng kinain natin dito. Our corporate head, nandito rin si Ms. Emmy. Palagpakan din natin. Yes, baby. Alam mo ba yung question?
Chico na
Okay, here's the good news, ano. Hindi lang po isang napakahusay primera na DJ ang mga kasama ko ng Energy FM. I am also elated to inform that his best friend will be joining Energy FM soon. That is Chico Loco. Second week of May, kasama na mo natin si Chico. So palapakan po natin. Thank you very much.
Sarap naman pakinggan.